Hey there! Welcome to Crafting Swift, my new series where we dive into the amazing world of SwiftUI. It is my first YouTube channel and my first video, so I'm excited to share my passion and experience in programming with you all. It will be a great experiment for myself to see where will this work take me in my professional career. So let's try. Back to the topic. Apple introduced SwiftUI in 2019 at the Worldwide Developer Conference. I had the wonderful opportunity to be there in person as an Apple scholar. It was the last event in the format of large 5-day conference. SwiftUI has been with us for almost 6 years now. I still have the impression that not all developers understand how the new framework works under the hood. I want to change that with this series. SwiftUI used declarative syntax, which means that the view is described by its state. Unlike UIKit, the new framework works on the data flow. If you worked with UIKit or even AppKit, you use the imperative syntax, where methods define the behavior of the interface. You surely remember the reload data method that we use to reload the UI table view. So let's learn how the SwiftUI works. My favorite way to learn a solution from a technical perspective is to write it by myself. So let's start it. We will create a new simple project in the Xcode. It will be iOS app without any testing system, without any storage, and we call it, of course, Hello World. Surely all programmers have dealt with the HTML at some point. Me too. So let's try to recreate HTML syntax with Swift by using SwiftUI pattern. We will create a new directory and we will create a new module that will be a Swift package. And we name it SwiftHTML. Great, we are ready to start. Almost. We have a place to work, but we will do one more thing. I will create a new content view, a little bit simpler than we have right now. It will be almost the same, but the difference will be in the implementation of the first view. We will replace image with the text with emoji and remove the padding. What's next? Next, of course, we should understand how HTML works. To do that, I use ChatGPT to get the knowledge about concept, architecture, and elements of the HTML. And this is our start point that we'll use in the next episode. This is Crafting Swift, and I'm Peter. See you soon!